Check it out. I came here about about a year ago, and this thing was broken. Now it's working. Let's see what it is. Ooh. Interesting. A little under level. Ooh, Illinois. JL black buttons. Those are not common here in Chicago. No indicator. So I assume this is also originally Illinois, because the service is Illinois. So it was Illinois modded by Illinois. Very interesting. Looks like a 1960s or a 50s mod. Interesting. Oh, it's got the original. Yep, definitely Illinois. Look at that old ass call button. That's sick. Big chunky. Oh yeah. Oh, chunky. Oh, light switch doesn't do shit. Okay. Jesus. This thing doesn't run perfectly, I'll say. But I've seen much worse. Oh, it's a TLC property. 99% of pretty much all TLC properties are original. Except like 2. I'm tired. I'm going home pretty soon. Gonna have a big, nice dinner. Oh, I'm ready for that. Goddamn. GAL call button out here on the first floor.